Welcome. If you're looking to send a photo along with a text message in an Instagram chat using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, sharing images and adding your personal touch has never been easier. All from your desktop. No phone required. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. If you're using a web browser, just head to Instagram's website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find and click on the Messages icon. It usually looks like a speech bubble or a paper airplane. This will take you straight to your direct messages, where all your chats are stored. Now scroll through your conversations and select the chat where you want to send your photo. Click on that chat to open the conversation window. At the bottom, you'll see the message bar where you usually type your messages. Right next to the text box, look for a small photo icon. It might look like a picture or a tiny camera. Click on this icon, and a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse the files on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your photo is saved, select the image you want to share, and click Open. You'll see the photo appear in your message bar, ready to be sent. Before you hit Send, you can type your comment or message in the text box, just like you would with any regular message. Once you're happy with both your photo and your text, simply click Send. That's it. Your photo and your message will be delivered instantly in the chat. This new Instagram update makes it super convenient to share memories, ideas, or anything else you want right from your PC. Give it a try next time you want to make your Instagram conversations more visual and engaging. Happy sharing!